Yo, what's good, you guys? Quick update in here. We got a vinyl baseboard up around the room, got the plumbing finished up, and floors all cleaned up. Everything's been sealed with silicone sealant, so there's no leaks in here, and it's super sealed now. I've got all the hydro racks pieces laid out. Got some tools here. I gotta grab my impact drill and some jack stands, and we'll be ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and take care of that later this evening. Got the AC dripping straight into here, or it should be going straight into there, but a little off center there. Anyways, everything's looking good. We'll get everything buttoned up and make sure it's running right. Just about there, you guys. Let's get it.